SPM, English Paper 2. SPM, English Paper 2. Model question. As the school counselor, you have been asked to give a speech related to safety. You decide to give one on the need for safety equipment. Now write your speech. Use the following notes in your speech. Many times we are faced with emergency situations. So need safety equipment to protect ourselves. At sea in boat, need safety equipment like life jackets. First aid kit needed at home, office, and school in case of injuries. Can also be treated before treatment by doctor. Offices, schools, and houses must be equipped with fire extinguisher. Help put out or control the fire before the fire engines come. Cyclists and motorcyclists must put on a helmet to protect their heads.
When writing your speech, you should remember to use the speech format. Use all the notes given. End your speech by thanking the audience. Model answer. Good morning, students. I am David Wong, the school counselor. The topic of my speech today is the need for safety equipment. I am sure there are many times when we are faced with emergency situations. During such times, we need safety equipment to protect ourselves. For example, when we go out to sea in a boat, it is very important to have the proper safety equipment. At sea, our boat can capsize. For our protection, we need safety equipment like life jackets. So every boat must be equipped with it. The first aid kit is needed at home, the office, and school. At home, it is useful when children get hurt. It is needed in school in case students injure themselves. It can be used to treat their injuries before they are sent to the hospital. In an office, any injuries can also be treated before treatment by a doctor. Offices, schools, and houses must also be equipped with a fire extinguisher. This is in case of a fire. The fire extinguisher can help put out or control the fire before the fire engines arrive. As important is the use of safety equipment by cyclists and motorcyclists. They must put on a helmet to protect their heads from injuries in case of a fall. Car drivers and passengers must fasten their safety belts in case of accidents. Therefore, using or wearing safety equipment is needed for our safety. I hope you have found my speech useful. Thank you for listening. One, capsize, sink. 2, equipped, provided, furnished. 3, fasten, put on, tie. 1, capsize, sink. 2, equipped, provided, furnished. 3, fasten, put on, tie.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.